we go. We're getting some bites. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Look at this, guys. Come on, you got this. All right, so car's packed to the brim. We're going to Big Sur. We're gonna get some rockfish. We're going down to a spot where it's open everywhere, like as in near shore. So we're gonna leave the day before, arrive at a camp spot, and then wake up early tomorrow, meet everyone there. We got about 8 or 9 people going, so let's go. All right. Right. Yeah, crazy. And sleeping bag. We're good to go. Sleeping bag here. And then I got this blanket that I got in Navajo Nation a few years ago. Keeps me nice and warm. And then I also have a jacket underneath here that is heated, so I just need to plug in my power bank and it's gonna warm me up. So there you go, that's my setup. All right. All right, about to head to bed. It's around 10 o'clock. Gonna wake up around 6, get some coffee, and then head out. Definitely stayed warm. It's not too bad. All right, let's get up. All right, we're packed up, ready to go. It's the campsite. Let's do it. The sun's just about coming up. All right. Look at that, the crew is already out. All right, we're in Big Sur, and we are south of Point Lopez. So near shore rock fishing season is open here. That means we can go target all the normal rockfish that everyone is used to, along with vermillion and all that. So that launch was a little difficult by myself. Hadn't done a beach launch in a while, but the water's calm out here. Should be about 3-foot swells. It's supposed to go down. Currently high tide, and it's outgoing tide. So let's see what the launch or the landing has waiting for us when we come back. Hopefully with a ton of fish. All right, I think I see some fish below me, and we got this high-low rig with 2 swim baits, and I'm gonna put a weight at the bottom here. Let's see, maybe use one of these guys. I mean, the schools are huge, so rest of the guys are a little in the front. That's all right, we'll catch up to them. No idea why they're not stopping here. Tons of fish, tons of fish. Let's be the first one to get them. Let's go. They're at like 100 feet. Reel this up. I don't see the marks anymore. Carlos is on. Oh, Antonio's on.
That's nice. I don't know if my... What is your house?
Vermillion. Let's go. Big 5-pound verm. But it's okay, as you know, you keep maybe 1 or 2.
This is nice.
Oh!
Okay, now.
Oh! Verm!
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Yeah. Oh,
2?
Oh my God. That's...
Woo!
2.
Wow! Wow!
Look. Dos.
Uno vermillion. Look at that, Boccaccio too. This is Boccaccio. Nice. So we're 300 feet deep. Tipped it with some squid from Rocky. You know what? Let me get a fish. All right, there we go. There we go. Good fish. Finally, fish on. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So. Nice canary. Woo! Big canary. Canary. Looks like canary. Oh, worm actually. Woo! Alright. That's a nice one, guys. Thumbs up. Whew. Bass lure. Fish on! Swim bait. Swim bait. Swim bait. Big one. Halibut! Woo! Look at this monster, guys. Woo! Monster. Need the Carlos bonker. Big ones. This got to be at least 8 pounds. This one's probably 5. All right. So we got this striped bass bait. It's an eel, and then a pink swim bait tipped with some squid. I'm gonna send this guy down. All right, I'm getting bites. I'm getting bites. Let's do a bass Bass Pro. See that? See that? It's biting. Bass Pro hookup. Yee-haw! Fish on. Woo! Yeah. Look at this guy. Beautiful. So this is a descender. We're gonna send this vermillion down to the depths. So just clip this on. I gotta wait. Released. There you go. See? The handle opens. Getting bites. Getting bites. Missed it. Missed it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fish on. Woo-hoo! Woo! Another worm. Drop it down. There you go, buddy. All right, here we go. We're getting some bites. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fish on, guys. They're over here. We're doubled. We're doubled. I hope it's a copper. Woo! Copper! Woo! Copper on the eel. Copper on the eel.
I'm jealous now.
Yes. We got a copper, guys. Woohoo! All right, beach landing. Gonna jump out early, I think.
Oh, we landing in the beach.